So this is about one bug I have been suffering for a long time in silence, like the hemorrhoids. Today the time to fix it has come. But I'm not going to do it alone. I'm going to have the help from the best. John Wick. By the way, amazing guitar solo from Slash. Let's listen it and enjoy it. Okay, let's go for it. Okay, let's see the bug. This problem show up when you have to Gited buffers. So for instance, I have here one Gited buffer for my local repository of Gited, and I have here the LPA repository. They have different directory structure. Now you have package should there, and now you go here Gited. So let's say I want to simply add here one comment. This must work just fine. You add this chain and things looks like they are working, right? But what happens if you try to do the same in the LPA repository? You will find that you can't. You get this cannot add files plain check, and if you reload the library, it works. It is very strange, right? Furthermore, let's add here a second comment. Now it's not going to work because we just changed to the other Gited buffer, so we face the same problem. So interesting enough, we don't need to reload the library, we just need to reload this the command that we are calling, and that is really suspicious. That is really suspicious. It works. Because that means side effects. We have side effects that what they are doing is modified the code of this function every time you run it. It's like this function without intention is behaving like a macro, but it's a function is automatically behaving like that because we have side effects. So that's the key, that when you reload the function, you get the normal behavior. So you need to find the side effects in the function, where they can be. After short inspection, we find the culprit. The culprit is these guys. Because what these guys are doing is called enconc on a constant list that is not the last one. So as you know, it's documented in the manual, this produce side effects is wrong. This will define one function that modify itself every time you run it. So well, what is the fix to that? The fix, use not enconc, just copy the list. So for example, you can use append. For example, if you're doing that, this must ensure. So if we have fixed the bug, then if we should go to the LPA and apply the same fix. And if we can add the patch, means that the fix is good. So I don't reload anything, I'm just using the same that before, so now it works. So that's it. Remember, be very careful when you use nconc. Be careful with the side effects in Lisp. Don't use nconc in one argument that is a constant list that is not the last one. Be safe. This is wrong. Use just append or use backward or something like that. So well, we have fixed the bug. Very nice. Thank you very much to John Wick. He actually has fixed the bug, as you can see here. Thanks for his nice job. And thanks for your attention as well. If you like the video, please, you can consider click the like button. And if in case you like Emacs, please subscribe to my channel now. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in the next video. Bye bye.